Hey guys, I am on with beautiful, wonderful, sweet mail I got for my birthday from a good friend of mine, Judy. So thank you, Judy. And I wanted to share a couple other cards. Margaret made me this one. That pretty? That's watercolor. That's freehand. She's an artist. And then Sharon May sent me this adorable, it's not a birthday card, but Beam thinking about you. Thank you, Sharon. So sweet. Hope your Easter is sweet. Yes. And then Judy, look at this. So she said she had a stamp that had the dots where to place those sequins. Isn't that gorgeous? Like diamond dots with sequins. Very creative lady. Anyway, so belated birthday wishes. Yes, she didn't want to send it till I got home from my trip seeing my kiddos. So thank you, Judy. But here's the other stuff she sent me. Isn't this a cute? I'm not messy. I'm just creative. Isn't that the truth? Who has time to clean when you creative things to do? And then she had talked about this. Waffle Flower has these. It's lines. This one is in unicorn, and what it is it's you can make a card with it. So there's that. You fold that in half, and you have another side is white. Isn't that clever? And they have dot ones. So Judy had talked about it, and I'd never. She also got me an egg cooker. My gosh, she spoils me off Amazon. Aren't these cute? So quick and easy. I just love it. So thank you, Judy. So now I know what you're talking about. And here's some with lines on both sides, just different shades. Oh, gorgeous. So I'll keep that out. I'm working on Easter cards. Let's see, what else is in here? Oh, she got, this was at the bottom. I was talking to her on the phone. I go, oh, a cake tester. I've never had one of those, so that's perfect. See, it's nice and long, so it goes into the cake better than just at the top, like a toothpick. Judy. She spoils me, I say. So she's the one that got me going on the whole, what is it called? To coordinate, complement, what is it called? Slatted and eclipse cards. So she sent me this. They're by Divinity Designs, and they're ovals, and so you have to layer them, so you need two of the same. So here she gave me these beautiful images. These gorgeous, and you can use that to layer. Oh my gosh. I love this, Judy. Thank you, thank you. So I'll be playing with that soon. And then I think these are off the baskets from Dollar Tree. Perfect little embellishments. Thank you, my dear, because I didn't get to keep any of mine because I gave them to the girls. The girlies. So that is from Judy and McIntyre, and I appreciate her. Here is one I had watercolored that I made today. Hopping by to say hello. So I need to get better about not just coloring the stamps, but using them. So I made a card. Here's that embossed folder that I use, and then I use it again on here. And then this is KS Crafts. I haven't shared that, but I did get KS Crafts flags, little banners. Didn't line that up perfectly, but it's okay. I'm going to let it go. This one was a little long, so I just dotted it, you know. And these are older. I went through my Easter baskets of stiff and found these. I believe these are from Stickles. And then this is the Happy Easter that I had got. I need to glue that down. And then there's the frame. I didn't use the squiggles. And this is from Hobby Lobby Paper Studio. I had in my stash. These little buggers were hard, these stickers, to get off the plastic, maybe because they were old. And then this was a border strip that I used because, yeah, to cover a blooper for me. You know, those bloopers turn you into a very creative person, right? So there we go. I hope, thank you, Judy, again. Oh my gosh. And everyone else for my beautiful cards. And I appreciate you all. Take care. Bye-bye.